The computer mouse. This is a computer mouse. The mouse usually connects to a desktop computer with a cord. The mouse is an input device, which means that we use it to tell the computer what we want it to do. The mouse has some very important buttons. This is the left mouse click. This is the button we use to click on something on the screen. When someone says to click on something, use the left click button. We call this the scroll wheel. The scroll wheel is used to move a page up or down. The right side button of the mouse is really special. When we right-click on something, a menu will open. From the menu, we can choose options. The menu changes in different locations on the computer. The computer mouse works best when you keep it on a mouse pad or a flat, smooth surface. Some computers have a trackpad or a touchpad instead. It works the same way as the mouse, but it is connected right to the frame of the device. Using a mouse is a way that we communicate with the computer. The mouse controls the arrow or cursor on the computer screen. You can move the mouse all around and it moves the arrow on the screen. When you click on the mouse, it will select whatever it is on the screen. Using the mouse makes it much easier to do things on the computer. These are some of the ways the cursor can look on the screen. They each have a meaning. These two are for clicking and dragging things around on the screen. The top one here is for text, and the bottom one means you need to wait. We use the computer mouse to let the computer know what we want it to do, and the computer uses the cursor icons to tell us what it is doing or can do.